What's good, guys? I'm Israel Rocha and this is Rochabrand. Now, usually on this channel, I do talk about skincare, hair, and grooming, but today we're gonna do something completely different. Today actually marks my 6-month anniversary of doing YouTube, or at least 6 months ago on June 15 is when I dropped my very first 2 videos here on YouTube. So in this video, I pretty much just want to go over with you guys what I have learned these 6 months. Now, am I this massive YouTuber now? No. Am I this, what you call, like, incredibly successful YouTuber now? No. But that's the whole point. I want to give you guys in the present, right here, right now, what it's like doing YouTube for 6 months in, as opposed to doing it for 2 years and then later making it in a video about how I started in YouTube and forgetting the little intricacies. I figured if I make this video now, it would be the best time I could give you guys the real honest truth of what it's like doing YouTube if you're just starting out or thinking about starting a YouTube channel. So just to give you guys some perspective for this video, I'm going to give you my real-time stats as they are right now. So currently, at the time of this recording, I have 19 videos out. In total, I have 8,516 views, 279.2 hours watched total, and 144 subscribers. And my most watched video as of right now has 2,785 views. Are those numbers super impressive? No, I have to be honest, they are not. Have there been people who've reached tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers within 1 year? Yes, there have been. Are there people who have way less numbers than I do? Yes, of course. So that's the whole point of this video. I just wanted to tell you guys exactly how things are and what I learned within these 6 months and any advice I might have for you guys. So I just want to give you guys like the top 3 things that I personally learned in these 6 months of doing YouTube. And the first thing is, it is a very, very slow process, like a slow race. Unless you're super lucky or your content is just so different that no one else has seen, it's gonna be a slow growth for most of us. The views are gonna be trickling in, the subscribers are gonna be trickling, and it's just gonna be very hard to grow exponentially at the very beginning. It probably took me like a month and a half, maybe 2 months to get my first 100 subscribers. So right now, I understand that I'm still currently in that really, really slow transition phase of growing my YouTube channel. All I ask is that you guys accept it, embrace it, and acknowledge that it's going to be really extremely slow at first when you're first trying to build your YouTube channel. Trust in the process, as they always say. Growth will come if you're consistent. Now, the second thing I've learned is, oh my god, the editing takes so much time. Now, I knew going in that editing would be the majority of time used when it comes to making YouTube videos, but it just... when I was editing my first couple of videos, I just wanted to scream because how long it was taking. Just chopping up these little segments by far is the most time-consuming part. Ask any YouTuber out there, editing will take you the most amount of time. Now, the third thing I really learned, and it's gonna be more personal, and it's something that I don't think many people acknowledge, is when it comes to like your support group, especially like your close friends and family. Now, listen to me, guys. It's gonna be a very hard truth pill to swallow, but it's something that needs to be said just so you guys are prepared mentally. Usually your closest friends, maybe even your closest friends and your family, they actually might not even be your biggest supporters when it comes to starting this channel. These will be the people who will either roll their eyes, scoff, or tell you, are you sure you want to do that? Are you sure that's a good use of your time? Maybe you want to do something else. Yes, I've already personally experienced this, and I still experience it now. I still have some of my closest friends tell me, hey man, how about you just stick to accounting? I've had another friend tell me, dude, clearly your channel's not working for you. You've been doing it for months and look what you've done. And these are just people who just truly don't understand the time and dedication it takes to making a YouTube channel. Now, on the other side of that, I do have other friends who are super supportive. And what I mean by supportive, there's 2 different types of support out there. There's gonna be people who support you as far as like making the videos and putting out the videos and supporting your YouTube channel overall. And then there's gonna be the supporters who most likely will not be your friends, will not be your family members, but people actually out there in the YouTube world who are watching all your videos, who are subscribing to your channel, who are liking all your videos, who are following you on Instagram. These are actually be the best supporters out there. I think I can confidently say is I have a lot of subscribers who are really supporting my channel and I've never even met them. They're people who actually organically found my channel, followed my videos, started subscribing to my channel, and they'll comment on multiple videos saying how much they really love my content. Now, as time goes on, I think you guys will see this, and I hope to see this for myself. As your YouTube fan base grows bigger, you're gonna see that these are gonna be your biggest supporters by far, more than your closest friends, more than your family members. Now, I'm gonna try my best not to go off on a tangent here, but I really feel like I need to give you guys this little nugget of wisdom. But right now, if you have that mental barrier of what your friends and family will think, about you starting a YouTube channel or you having YouTube videos, listen to me right now. Maybe it's different for you guys, but the majority of your friends, or let's say even the majority of your Facebook friends, the majority of your Instagram followers, if you're very nervous about putting yourself out there and wondering what these people think, please hear me when I say this. Hopefully this will bring you guys some relief and not make you guys feel sad. But majority, I would say 98% of these people just don't care. They're just gonna find out you're making a YouTube channel and they're either gonna shrug their shoulders or be like, okay, next. But don't feel saddened by that. Actually, let that invigorate you, because that's just the harsh truth of it. Most likely, whatever content you're creating, the majority of your friends might not even really be interested in. I mean, you're gonna be making videos for a niche of the world and a niche that'll reach thousands of people across the planet, but it might not even be content that your friends even care about. 1% of people, I will say, might roll their eyes or even scoff at you. Guys, most likely those people are just jealous that you're actually doing something, trying something, that you're putting yourself out there. It's something that they wish they could do, but they're mad that you're doing it first. Or don't worry about those people. Those people will just probably stay quiet. And if they do say anything, well, fuck them. So without question, starting off your YouTube channel is going to take a lot of mental strength, a lot of mental fortitude. You just cannot care what you think your closest friends will think about you doing this. Don't worry about it. Please hear me when I tell you that most likely they just won't care, but don't take offense to that. That's actually a really good thing. You're not here to make YouTube videos specifically just for them. You're here to reach a whole entire demographic, a whole entire different market that you couldn't even have dreamed of. Yeah, so those are like the biggest 3 to maybe 4 things that I personally have learned just within these 6 months of having my YouTube channel. Thank you guys all for listening. Hopefully you learned at least one thing by watching this video. If you guys want to learn more about skincare, hair, grooming, or you just want to keep watching my type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel, or at least by bare minimum, if you guys could please like this video. Help me with the YouTube algorithm. I know this is a completely different type of video that I've made before, but really helped me out. Thank you guys. Whoever's watching this, I love you guys. I believe in you. Go follow your dream. If you want to make YouTube videos, go make YouTube videos. By all means, if you have any other questions, put them down in the comments, or even consider follow me on Instagram, or even DM me any of your questions that you guys have. I'm here to help. I'm here for you all. Thank you all so much. It's Rocha.